My name is Prince Aryan and I'm from class 6. So basically I was wondering why we used to get these yawns. Why do we actually yawn? And more specifically, why we actually yawn during the time of we need to have some rest or we're going to close our eyes to move into dreamlands. Like why at the night time, especially when we actually go to sleep. Kind of very interesting thing about why we actually yawn. So let's start our today's video. Friends, actually our brain and mind gets heated up when actually it does a lot of work simultaneously. It's like when you do first studies and after going to bath and after that sleeping and all the daily routine things that you do in your day-to-day lives, these all has to be handled by the brain or more specifically our mind. So while doing that, what basically happens is our brain gets heated up. Like it's the same thing what happens to your mobile phone when more than 2 or 4 apps are run simultaneously. Like that our phone heats up. Like that only our mind out of the brain also heats up when a lot of work has to be done and simultaneously at one time. So basically, what will brain do to cool down this heat? Yes, exactly. It is going to yawn. When our body basically yawns, our brain is kind of relaxed for our brain. Now, disclaimer. This is not the exact reason why our brain actually or why we actually yawn, but this is the most popular and the most means this theory is actually followed by most of the scientists. Now, what is special in this theory? Because it is related to one algorithm of our body. I'm going to not confuse you by saying its name, the name of the algorithm, but I can just say that it's the day and night cycle. Yes, that only is related to our concept or theory of yawning, and that is why scientists say that this is the most probable theory. So basically, according to the theory, the brain has to cool down its functions, cool down a bit. So, like while you are doing your work, you cannot just sleep to just cool down and refresh your brain. So, what you basically do is you yawn. When we actually yawn, our brain gets refreshed and cooled by that. Yes. Now, how's the process? When we yawn, when we open our mouth, a lot of air gets inside our mouth, and that causes the inhalation of more and more oxygen into our lungs, and eventually, what happens is basically we used to do one process which is known as like we when we inhale more oxygen, the body one function is there that it will increase the flow of blood in our body parts, and simultaneously it will increase the blood to our brain as well. So brain will get more blood. Now also some of the oxygen or some of the air, basically I would say not specifically oxygen but air that we take, that moves to our face. Why that happens? This happens because of the of our body day and night cycle. So when in the noon time, when for example my habit of eating food is at 2 p.m. For example, I'm saying at 2 p.m. So at 2 p.m. Only I'm going to feel, oh, I'm feeling hungry, please give me some food. So this day and night cycle continues. So because of that only, yawning takes place at the time when we actually have to sleep. now seeing this yawning, like I'm feeling now drowsy. Yeah. But have you yawned while watching this video? Or have you ever yawned when anyone said that yawn? Or like this, have you ever done in your life or while I'm watching this video? Well, if you have, then comment down your experience in our comment box over here. And also, another thing I just want to say you that in regular basis in my channel Prince Master Champ, I'm going to upload a lot of quizzes. So be sure to click the right answer and yeah, be honest in your answers. After clicking one answer, don't just cut off your answer and click on the correct answer, right? So yeah, yawning is just psychology of our humans. We cannot find the exact definition or exact meaning why we actually yawn because that's unknown, still unknown for us. And scientists are making a lot of research on that so that they can aware our human civilizations about that. So I will be coming in the latest news of why do we actually yawn. And so till then, bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, you can here subscribe to my channel Prince Master Champ Education with Fun.